how to restore your iPad with iTunes on your Windows computer. So this can be really useful if you want to wipe all of the data from the iPad. Maybe you're having some kind of issue with the device, or maybe you're just selling the iPad and you want to start brand new. Now all you need to do is go and grab a USB-C cable, and you'll need to plug one end into the iPad like this, and the other end you need to plug into a computer or a laptop. Now once your iPad is connected to your computer, you'll need to come over to your computer and you'll need to go and install an app called iTunes. So if you don't already have this installed, you can download it for free on the Microsoft Store. So as you can see, I'm just going to download it directly from this page here. Once it's finished installing, go and open up iTunes. You can then come back over to your iPad and we need to go and press down the following keys. You're going to quickly tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button in the top right hand side of the iPad. Now you need to continue holding this button down until the iPad screen goes completely black. After about 10 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. Make sure to continue to hold the lock screen button down until you see this recovery page. Now when you see the recovery page, you can release your finger from the lock screen button, and then you can come back over to your computer. Now, if you've done this correctly, you're going to see a pop-up asking you to either update or restore. If you don't see the pop-up, you can try repeating these steps one more time. You can also try using a different USB-C cable and a different port on your computer. Now, once you get this pop-up message, you need to go and click on restore. You can then follow the steps to go and restore your iPad, and that will reset the device back to its factory settings.